Welcome to Harper's House. Today we're doing chocolate covered cherries.
There you go.
I dropped it.
It's okay.
Yum.
Here, just put it in
Now
front of you.
this one.
Well, try to do the stem ones first. Just bring that a little closer. Oh, that is a nice one. Oh, look at that. Oh my
I don't
goodness.
want to eat that one.
Me too. Yeah, try to get all the ones with stems first. Oh, you really got that one good. Oh my God, Harper, well done. Keep going.
These look so good.
Oh, look at that.
There's gonna be a lot.
You think? Those are looking nice.
100 miles dip. That's a lot. Yum, those look so good.
Yes, they do. Can't wait to try those.
Can't wait to.
And usually we get cherries and they have a lot of stems. This ones don't have the stems. Yeah, just try to get them as close as you can without touching. There should be plenty of room. Actually, what I'll do is I'll try to find the ones with stems for you.
He fell.
He boinked his head. Got lots of them in here. Oh, nice, Harper.
And the tiny stem one.
The tiny stem one. Yeah, we got a lot with some big stems. Well, this one kind of looks a little yucky. Get rid of that one.
Yeah, look at I got the stem.
Oh my goodness, the chocolate stem.
Chocolate stem. This is gonna be a real tiny one, but I'll do it.
Oh goodness, Harper. You're really good at this stuff.
This one's a dry.
Yeah, they dry fast.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta hurry though, keep going.
They look good.
Before the chocolate starts to get hard. They do. They got a nice little shine to it. They look absolutely delish. Oh no!
Yeah.
They fell in there. Oh no! Use your little crab claws. Try not to get burnt. Make sure wipe your hands on the rag before you grab again.
Chocolate. What did this happen? Here, got chocolate. So good, chocolate.
Oh no!
Yum, those look good.
All right, keep on trucking there. You can put some down in this area here too.
I'll do that last.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, Harper had to get out of school a little early today because she had a dentist appointment. Not the best thing to do after going to the dentist, but Daddy's always got a surprise for her.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's a chocolate colored stem. Oh, you got a chocolate knuckle.
Yeah.
Alright, keep on trucking.
Yeah. Yes.
Or keep on dipping. Remember, if it's starting to get shallow, move the container sideways like this. So that when you dip, that way it makes it deeper. There you go. Oh, that is nice. That's a nice one.
And you put some cherries right here.
Yeah, try to fill up these spots though too, right there though.
In this spot.
Yeah, we'll turn. Yeah, we'll rotate that.
Yum, those look so good.
All right, keep on dipping.
This one's real ripe.
It's a very pretty color. Pretty red. Oh, look at that. Gooiness.
I got some on tape.
That's okay. Rotate that just a little bit right there for you. Right there, nice.
They look all good.
They look delicious. Can't wait to eat these later.
I can't see it. I can't.
Whoa, that's massive chocolate. Including the stem. It's like a chocolate covered stem.
I can't wait to eat these.
They
just look so good. Yum! Which one looks the best?
The big chocolate stem one. I don't know. This one.
This
one
one?
looks really good right there.
Which one's the best? Point that one.
This one looks really good.
I want to eat that one.
Oh, hurry! We gotta get them back in the fridge. Oh, these smugs are Harper. You cracked me up.
I have a finger.
Alright, tell the camera. Say, you get the drift. Thanks for watching. See you next video.
You get the drift. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Say chocolatey.
Chocolate.
Or say, stay chocolatey, my friends.
Say chocolate, my friends.
We'll let you know how well these tasted. Peace out.